Testing, testing, 1, 2. Welcome back to Simply Natural Black Life, where we do all the things: home things, travel things, outdoor things. We love nature, we love plants. I just want to say hi to all my new subscribers. And my mic sounds nice. Check 1. So, we're going to go ahead and get into the video, okay? I'm going to show you guys what I did before today. All right? Hey y'all, happy day. So look, I be telling y'all be asking me what your mom gonna do when you wanna leave. She ain't gonna do nothing. She got her driveway done, a new driveway. She got her banisters done, and she got her kitchen floor done. Okay. Yeah. Ooh wait, yeah, the floor look good. Oh, I see where you did it. I see. Okay. It look nice, Ma. She ain't going nowhere. Y'all know how they are. Let me see. Hello? Bringing her something. Did I catch you at a bad time? Oh, I'm not gonna stay that long.
Okay, how you doing?
You all right? What's wrong?
Good.
Oh.
I'm gonna get ready to get in the shower.
Oh, here. That's for you.
Oh.
Like I bought 2, and then this is for you. This, instead of using them old plastic containers, you can use that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like putting stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I got so many of them things I ain't even used.
What, the
Plastic
containers?
bags. Yeah.
Well, I'm saying like that's a better material than those plastic styrofoam. You know.
Oh, the plastic.
Yes,
can,
ma'am.
Storage can.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Y'all, I enjoy spending a little time with my mom. I'm on my way to the fragrance store because the last time we all chatted in the live chat, we talked about fragrances. So look, I got this bottle. It was clear, but I spray painted it white. It was Ralph Lauren. It smells really good. Look at that bottle. Isn't that cute? Now the only thing is you can't pump it, but that's all right. I'm gonna see if he got that fragrance honey because I want it bad. I want it. He is here. Let me see if he got this oil for me today. Ooh.
I don't even know why I ain't finished mine yet. I started my book, but
What is it?
it's just a tell-all book.
Okay, about your life?
Yep, it's called Digging Deep, the first real look at myself.
You started it?
I started it, but I got to a part where I had to dig into my past, and my ex-wife was included in that.
Oh.
And at the time, I didn't really want to face that part.
Okay.
And I just hadn't picked it back up yet.
All right.
But it's time now, because it's been a while since we ain't been together. That I just need to pick it back up and go forward. Because technology now, I had started out writing it, but I got carpal tunnel and all that stuff in my hand.
Okay. Y'all, that guy in there had a testimony. Oh, y'all, wait a minute. Had a testimony out of this world. And I was in there longer than I was supposed to be. I needed to hear it. I needed to hear that. Like, my time of day today, it's like the Most High put me everywhere I needed to be. I don't know. I know y'all probably experienced something like that. Let me pull over. But I'm going to show y'all real quick what I got. But anyway, y'all. Oh, my God. The testimony, it just got me. It's got me in my feelings. Lord knows I'm on the right path. Lord knows I'm on the right path. But let me show y'all real quick about my fragrances so y'all can understand what I'm trying to say or do. Trying to find me a space. There's somebody everywhere. Hold on. All right, I had to get under a tree. It's too much sunlight. But guys, so this fragrance is called, y'all told me honey, Mary and Tia, right? You told me that, right? Oh my God, somebody's playing music. Hold on, y'all. I hope you can't hear it. I got, it's called Honeysuckle Rain and honeysuckle warm something. I don't know, but this is what it looks like. It's probably, it's going to be rotated. I like the fact that he put the label on there. This is the front of the bottle. This is the front of the bottle, but he put the label on there. So yeah, guys, I'll let y'all. It smells really good though. It smells so good. I smell like so much right now. But on to the video. Hello, friends. My mic sounds nice. Check one. My mic sounds nice. Check two. How y'all doing today? I'm just out here chilling, enjoying this beautiful weather. And I just wanted to show y'all my marigolds. They thrusting and they thriving. Let's go inside because we're gonna finish up. We're gonna finish up from where we left off. Smelling beautiful today. I don't want the bees to get me because I smell like honey. All right. So the last time we checked in, I think we were in this room, right? And I was showing y'all my plant babies because we went live. Um, I'm gonna piggyback off of that because this room is just gonna be just a room for peace, beautiful plants. Okay? The space is absolutely amazing and I want to keep it that way. So guys, if you look behind me, I moved my canvas. I redid it and I'm going to show you all right here. This is what I did with it. I told you guys I was going to redo my canvases. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All I did was add paper to it and I painted over it. I'm going to hang it with you guys today and I'm going to show you the other canvas. Here is our other canvas. I hope you guys can hear me and see me very well. So like I said, I was painting the whole thing black. I added those strips of fabric and that is how she turned out. You can see pieces of fabric on to the canvas. I'll try to give you guys a side shot so you can see what it is that I'm speaking about. She's absolutely amazing, right? Okay, y'all, so that's that canvas. So I'm going to have to take another canvas away from this space, okay? I'll show you. I've decided to switch out this canvas here. It's not so much a canvas, but it's semi-canvas and wood. We're going to place that in the kitchen. I'm going to show you why. So guys, I just actually want to put my plant baby here. So that is what we're going to do. I tell you guys all the time is use your own home, shop your own home, fill up your spaces. You don't have to go out and do new stuff. You don't have to go out and buy new stuff. Use what you have. Oh, almost fell. Okay, so I'll show you guys right now as I move that plant out the way. This is our new space. It just shows that that's all you look at that. I filled up that space. So we're going to take our picture here and we're going to put that in a new space, okay? Okay, so as you can see, this frame goes with this here. I don't know if y'all can see, but I dropped this down. So actually, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this beautiful one. I'm going to replace this piece of wood that is a different color, as you can see. This one is darker. This one is light. I'm going to go ahead and probably sell that or donate it. So hold the line, y'all. My plant was getting some sunlight in front of the door. So when I get ready to leave, I'll place her back on the side over here. So hopefully these nails will work where they are. If not, I can always adjust them. Okay, I think we might be all right. We might. Okay, let's see. All right, y'all, I'll be back. I think I have to adjust it, but you kind of get the gist of what I'm saying. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I think we're good. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Okay. All right, I'm going to be looking out for a kitchen counter space tour. I'm going to decorate the countertops for fall. So be looking forward to that video coming next. I had to take me a little moment, but things are really coming together the way I want them because what I'm doing is situating my space with the things that I love and like. That way, when it's ever time for me to be free and out of here, I will have just the key pieces that I want. And there's nothing wrong with playing around with your style, and making things fit for you. So let me not run out of storage. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my little coffee snack here. And it's not coffee, it's chai. But we're gonna go ahead and hang the picture in the hallway, show you outfit of the day, and hopefully I can go ahead and fill up my bottles with y'all, okay? I feel like a professional. I feel so much like a professional now. So y'all, here is our canvas art. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna at the end of this video, I'm gonna show the one in there and here once I get done. But I'm gonna go ahead and remove these first. And don't laugh at my wall, guys, because I have to get some more paint. Okay, I have to get paint so I can redo these walls. Okay, and if you want to know the color, it's Repost Gray. Okay, I have all those down. I'm gonna take these nails out. And like I say, do not hang your pictures so high to the ceiling. You're not supposed to do that. So I have to use this screw because this picture is more heavier than those pictures. So we're gonna go ahead and so let me see where she can go so I can know where to place her. All right, y'all, be right back, okay? Right back. I'm still here, just trying to get this nail in here, make sure everything is copacetic, all right? So there is a wire on the back of here that I have to get aligned with this nail. And yeah, I'm gonna show you. All right, guys, can you see the raised paper on there? Look at that. And I love that the framing goes with the framing of the actual base of the table. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful, y'all. So that is what I've done. I love it, love it, love it. And that is what you see right now, right here. And let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think about this. So instead of having those three, I have my one piece here. And I'm going to go in the bathroom, fill up my containers, okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. I hope I'm not talking too close to the mic, but I wanted to show y'all these here. These are the shower steamers, relaxing shower with, that you take relaxing showers with refreshing aromas. It's a 12 pack by Art. Okay, and they come. I used two, I think, when I went out of town, but they come with these little sachets, and it said, I just found out I can put one in my. I'm gonna put one in my car. They smell so good, but that's what they look like. Okay, I'm gonna put one in my car, and I'm gonna hang one in my bedroom. So they're all like the same. But there was 12 in here. There were 12 in here. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 more. So I'm gonna donate these. And then also, um, what else was I doing? Yeah, I'm gonna donate those. Somebody else can enjoy them. And then I have this much left of this. Remember, I kept saying I was gonna try to save this container. I don't think we're doing that. I'm gonna let it go because it has all these different letters. I liked it because it was black and it has like my orange color here. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna switch out these containers. And this is our new top. This is the old top for the jojoba oil. I'm gonna have to turn this upside down. Uh-oh, it's dripping. It's dripping. It's dripping. I'm gonna put that on my hair. Whatever's left in here, I will actually put. Oh my gosh, it's really dripping, y'all. I'm gonna have to put it on my hair. We're gonna add a new top. We're gonna add our new gold top to that. Look how beautiful, y'all. Look at that. Do y'all see that? All right, let's place her here. And then I think I mentioned to y'all that I was gonna keep the body wash bottle, although it's not glass, but it is clear, so clear. We're gonna add a gold top to that, but I'm gonna add my body wash to this. I'm going to add some, and then I'll just add whatever uh, I can with you guys. I'm going to add whatever I can with y'all. And then we're going to get this video ended out for the week so we can start us up another one, right? I didn't realize that this was like a brownish color. Okay, so I'll turn this upside down and we will wait for that. But I just want to show y'all what it looks like with a new gold top on it. Absolutely beautiful. So I am not sure where I'm going to put her, but for right now, that's what she looks like. And that's what that baby looks like. And I have one more left, and I think I'm actually going to put this on something else in here. But yeah, guys, hold the line and I'll show you guys outfit of the day, and we're going to end out this vlog. I don't know if I showed you, but I cleaned these out really good, real good. I cleaned them out so well. I'm still trying to decide, donate them or keep them. And then I'm going to add this onto that. So that's how it would look if I use the black on there. I think that would be nice. So like I said, I have to let the oil, some of the oil just got on my clothes. Oh my gosh, I'm pissed. But these are how the sachets came out. So like I said, I'm going to add one to my car, one to my bedroom area. We're going to be doing a new bedroom. I'm going to redecorate my bedroom, change it around. You guys are going to see that in another video. Okay, let's head into outfit. I'm going to end out today's vlog with my outfit of the day, and don't forget to watch to the end because I'm going to at nighttime I'm going to take a pic. I'm going to show a little video of the back, the dining room area, and the bathroom stuff. And here's my outfit of the day. Besides the I got a quarter length white t-shirt, shirt, my balloon stonewashed black jeans, and my knockoff Tory Burch sandals. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I want to tap into some more stuff since I got my new mic. Some topics we can talk about. We'll do them live. We'll do them any way we can. But yeah, I hope that didn't throw me off. Oh, why you do me like that? Hopefully I'm gonna be able to get this off with a little bit of soap and water before I leave up out of here. But anyway, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Always remember to do what? What are you supposed to do? What are we supposed to do? Hold on, guys. All right, I think we're good now. So always remember to do what? Love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye.